Good morning. In this video, we've got some, I think, really exciting news. Earlier today, the Commissioner of the IRS announced that IRS is going to automatically process returns filed that have the $10,200 unemployment tax exclusion. The Commissioner announced today in Congress that he believes, and let me quote here what he says, "Do not file an amended return at this time. We believe that we will be able to handle this on our own. We believe that we will be able to automatically issue refunds associated with the $10,200. What I want to say is that I've been asked over the last couple of weeks since this came out whether the IRS could do, whether they could automatically do an adjustment or we would have to amend the return. And I said, do not file amended returns because the IRS could handle this like a math error and go through and just rerun those old returns and look and say, if your unemployment is $10,200 or less, then you will not pay taxes on that and do an automatic refund unless your income is over $150,000. Now remember that $150,000 is the same for married filing joint, married filing separate, and single. It's one common threshold, I call it the cliff, and that is again, if you have unemployment of $10,200 per taxpayer. So it's possible to have a forgiveness of $10,200 to a husband and a wife, as long as, again, as their income is not over $150,000. And this is very good news because right now there's still several million returns from 2019 tax returns that have not been processed, and largely due that they're paper filed. So again, the big takeaway here, don't file an amended return if you've already filed a return and paid taxes on your $10,200 up to that amount of unemployment. Any part over that is still taxable. The IRS believes, according to the Commissioner earlier today, that they will be able to do an automatic processing and then send a refund on that amount. And I'm so glad to hear this because, again, I've said it over the last couple of weeks and it's now coming to fruition. So in summary, if you filed your tax return and it's over and you've got unemployment on it up to $10,200, the IRS is going to send you a refund in the mail according to the testimony by the Commissioner today. And if you have not filed your tax return, then what happens is that you will, as soon as the softwares, which I believe most of them are changing as we speak, you'll be able to process your return, and on the returns processed and filed here forward, that $10,200 exclusion should be part of your software, and that should do that for you. Also, in another video, I'm going to talk about the latest thing that happened also today, and that's an extension on the due date. Again, hope this video helps. Hit the red button. Thank you, and see you in the next video.